We'll start up with a small example, very simple example. We are learning how to change numbers into standard forms with different type of questions. So if I am taking a number like 0.000089 and I want to change that into standard form, what will I do? To make it into the standard form, I know I have to change it into k into 10 to the power n format, where k has to be somewhere between 1 and 10. So it has to be greater than 1 and smaller than 10, right? To make my question look like this, I'll have to move this point to the right by 6 steps. Why 6 steps? Because if in case I land my point, decimal point here, this will still be 0.0089, which is very small than 1, right? So if I transfer this point here, so this is still 0.89, which is again smaller than 1. So my k cannot be this, no? So that's not even the standard form. If I make this decimal point move here, then my k is 8.9, and that is the correct value for k. K can be 8.9 because it is greater than 1 and it is less than 10 as well, right? Now, in order to make this 8.9, what will I do? This is 6 steps, no? I'll multiply it with 10 to the power 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps will take because there are 10 sixes. And I'll have to divide this with the same number as well, because I cannot only multiply some number by myself, no? I'll have to divide that as well. So now this part will be consumed in moving the decimal here. So this is gone. This is nowhere in the answer now. 10 to the power 6. What will be reflected in the answer is 8.9, this part, and this divided by 10 to the power 6, which I can also write as 8.9 into 10 to the
power minus 6.
Right. Shrikant, अभी थोड़ा better लगा? अभी थोड़ा सा समझ में आया?
So you have to do it k into 10, or ma'am, k into 10 to the power n format, and then you have to divide it and then transpose it and make it into 8.9 into 10 minus 6.
Don't learn steps like that, because questions के different types के हिसाब से the procedure will also change. So the focus is that we need to make it k into 10 to the power n, where k has to be somewhere between 1 to 10. Okay? So this is our prime focus, and we need to do that. Chalo, abhi we'll be discussing 2 more examples of the same type. So this is this question 0.00000092. Now point has to come here, right?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am,
can you check the chart once?
Ma'am, can I try? Sridhar.
Abhi, in a short while, I'll tell you something, and give me 1 minute. Yes, Shrikant, do this.
Ma'am, 9 into 10 power 8.
9.2 into
10 power 8. And no, ma'am, 9.2 divided by 10 power 8.
Okay.
And ma'am, equals to 9.2 into minus 10 power into 10 minus power 8.
Into 10 to the power minus 8.
Right,
absolutely correct, right? This is the correct way of doing it. So that means whenever you are moving to your right, your negative power is increasing. Why? Because the positive power is used up moving that decimal point. है ना? Got it or not? एक example और करते हैं. जैसे 0.0352. Abhi, Sridhar, you tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am, I tried.
Ma'am, first it will be 35.2.
35.2. Is this your K? Acha, 3.52. Okay.
By 2, 10 to the power 2
Okay.
equals 3.52 into 10 to the power of -2.
Lovely. Very good. Absolutely correct. That's the correct way of doing it. You take the decimal point 2 steps to the right. So you will add 2 negative powers to it. Clear
Yes,
or not?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. So now Prisha's test would be sending the screenshots of these questions in the group. So there'll be a test of Prisha when she watches this video that she needs to submit us the screenshots of all the questions that we have done on screen. Okay. So now, Dekho, Shrikant and Sridhar, because everyone has done this with me in 7th grade. So they are running by their own paces. Abhi, this first question, second, and this fourth one, this can be done with the same way we have done that one. Right? So try doing these questions. Try doing these questions and tell me the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Samihan beta, your doubt was from which part beta?
Ma'am, fourth part.
Acha,
Ma'am, the
chalo.
answer is coming minus 10 to the power -7, but it's written -9 at the back of the book.
Acha, let me check.
Ma'am, it's -9.
3, 3, 6, 3, 9. So -9 only bit to -9 ही तो होगा.
Excuse me,
यहाँ
ma'am.
से 0 count करो ना बेटा. There are 8 zeros and 1 8.
Ma'am, can you show question
Ma'am, I
number
counted
3?
3 and 7 also.
Oh, why 3 or 7? जल्दी से बच्चा tell me the answer.
Ma'am, doing.
Abhi will be discussing second type of question here. That is 5th part. And the third part. Before these complicated numbers, I'll take a small number like it is 31280. And we need to change this into standard form. How will we do that? To do this, we need to see where is the decimal first. The decimal is at the end because you cannot see it. That means it is 0.0. So that means it is at the end only, right?
Ma'am,
Now we have to move the point left this time. That too for 4 steps, right? Because if decimal point landed here, the number 3128 is still greater than 10. If I land my point here, it is still greater than 10, 312. If I land my decimal here at this place, it is still greater than 10, 31 is greater than 10.
So, ma'am, it should be after 1.
3.1.
Yes, ma'am. May I try?
Take minute to let me explain. Now, in order to move this point, decimal point to the left, again I'll multiply and I'll divide the same number. How many times? 4 times, no? 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, I'll have to multiply and divide. Because I cannot only multiply or divide, I'll have to do both. Now, in moving the point left, it's always the denominator ka power which is used up. है ना? Point moves left when you divide by 10 to the power n, no? As in, if I say this is 389.24 and I divide it with 10 to the power 2, then only this point will move 2 steps to the left, right? Getting it or not, beta ji?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means the division wala 10 is used up in moving the point left. So this is used up. This is finished. What is reflected is the positive power. So that this will be 3.128. If it is a 0 at the end, doesn't matter. If you want to write it, you can. If you want to skip, that is okay. 3.1280 into 10 to the power 4 is the answer. Got it, beta ji?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसका मतलब I have told you, एक और example लेते हैं फिर trick analyze करेंगे. तो अभी this is 5189 and 000. This I need to change this into my standard form. So point is here, I need to
It
move
goes
this point
plus one.
here so that it becomes 5.8.
Yes, ma'am.
This is moving 6 steps to the
5.18900.
left. 5.189 only I'll write. Last
Yes,
zero,
ma'am.
even I skip writing, that is okay. Into 10 to the power, how many steps I have moved? 6. 10 to the power 6 by 10 to the power 6. This is gone in moving it to the left. This is shown in the answer. What is the answer? 5.189 into 10 to the power 6. is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका मतलब what is the
Excuse me, ma'am.
conclusion here? The conclusion here is that when you move your decimal to the left, then positive power comes.
And
The
when
power is
move to the
positive.
right, it's negative.
Right. The negative power increases. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Samihan, what is your doubt, bacha?
Ma'am, not a doubt. Ma'am, I have completed the exercise.
Good boy. Make a PDF and submit in the group quickly. Very good boy. Okay. So Abhi, let's do things really very quickly with the tricks. Samihan, nahi, Shrikant and Sridhar, let's do the things quickly with the tricks. 389.510. 389.510. 0.038950. So let's make all three into the standard form.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhi, if Shrikant and Sridhar you want to try, you can go ahead.
Ma'am,
You want to try or you want me to explain this?
my time. Ma'am, my time.
Okay, one by one. Shrikant, you try first.
Ma'am, 3.89510
I'll write only 510. I won't write. Doesn't make a difference, beta.
into 10.4, 10 power 4. Ma'am, 10
So let me
10
check
power
that.
4. Ma'am, 10
10
power
to the
5.
power 5, beta. 5. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
10 to the power 5. You have moved the point 5 steps to the left. So positive power will be shown. Very good, Shrikant. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Okay,
should I do the
now
next one?
Sridhar. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Sridhar, you want
I'm
help?
confused. Ma'am, I'm confused.
कोई बात नहीं. Let me explain this to you then. Pay attention on screen. This decimal
ma'am.
point has to move 2 steps back, no?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
then 3.8951 would be the K. And
Okay,
would be
ma'am.
in standard form then. So I'll move 2 steps to the left. The number will be 3.89510. If even I don't write it, it's okay. How many steps am I moving my point to the left? 2 steps only.
2 steps.
And
Ma'am, it
whenever
should be
I'm going
into
to
10
the...
to the power 2.
Very good. You've done it?
Okay, ma'am.
Got
Ma'am,
it?
can I do the next one? Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it should be 3.89510 1 into, ma'am, 1 second, let me count. Ma'am, 6. 10 to the power 6.
No.
Ma'am, submitted.
Ma'am,
Good.
10 to the power 8.
Beta,
Ma'am,
point
10 to the
has
power
moved only 2 steps. Beta, point has
Ma'am,
moved
10 to
only
the
2
power
steps.
2.
Ma'am, I didn't see the point. Ma'am, I didn't
Yes,
see the
Samihan,
point.
good.
I
हाँ,
didn't
this
see the
point is
point.
है, no? तो
Ma'am,
बेटा
is
ध्यान
it
से
a
करना
right?
पड़ेगा ना. It can be anywhere. It's not important कि the point will be always at the starting or always at the end. It can be in the middle of the number somewhere also.
Okay, ma'am.
So when the decimal point is here, you're moving to the right. You will do 10 to the power 2, Samihan.
Ma'am, 3.
3.
Ma'am, it's 2.
Betu, it's 2, but it is moving to the right. -2.
Ma'am, minus.
-2. Got it or not, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abhi you people try with question number 1. Okay, rest of the parts, this 3 and 5 also you complete, and then I'll discuss second, third, and fourth. Jaldi se.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me once. कि हमें question number 2 कैसा करना है? Then of course you can run. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now they want you to write this in usual form. Abhi usual form में we'll go reverse the way, है ना? So this is 3.02 by 10 to the power 6 means this, right? Got it or not, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when this is the denominator में 6 zeros, so that means you'll move the decimal point 6 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the decimal point will land here. But because there are no numbers, you'll add zeros in these jumps. So what is the answer? 0.0000302.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it, bacha?
So ma'am, this is the 0.0.0000302.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's basically the opposite.
Yes, exactly. It is basically the opposite one. So let's do one with the positive thing also. 4.5 times 10 to the power 4 means 4.5 into 10,000, right?
10,000.
Means point moving 4 steps ahead. If you move 1 step, you got 45. For 3 more steps, you will write 3 more zeros. That is the answer.
Ma'am, it's easy.
Easy
Easier
to
than the
1,
first
2,
activity.
3, 4, right? Yes. So this is the answer. Right, bacha? Now you
Yes, ma'am.
complete this question number 2 also, and then we'll discuss 3. Okay. Now, if I give you a question like 36.91 into 10 to the power 6. And now you need to make it in standard form. How will we do this?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, try.
Ma'am, 36.91 by 10 by 6, which is equal to 36.91 into 10 by 6.
It's the same thing only. How will you make it standard form? Mein beta?
Can I try?
Okay. Betu, I can hardly hear you people speaking. Let me explain that to you. Let me explain. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You can react also, no? With those reactions there, you can react also. If even the net is very slow, no, you'll be able to react. So if the concept is not good to you, tell me, I'll explain again. Okay. Abhi dekho, we need to move the point 1 step back, right? 1 step to the left, right? And in moving the points to the left, the negative exponents or the denominator ones, they are used up. And the positive ones are reflected in the answer, right? But I always used that the positive value will increase. The positive exponent will increase. So here in this case, we'll increase this by 1. How many steps have I moved back? 1 step back, right? So this positive power will be increased, plus 1. What will be the answer now? This will be 3.691 into 10 to the power 7. And why is this happening? Let me explain. Because this is 36.91 into 10 to the power 6. No? When you are moving 1 step to the left, that means you are multiplying with 10 to the power 1 and dividing by 10 to the power 1, right? This is used up in moving it to the left. This one will reflect in the answer. And we people know that when the bases are the same and there is a multiplication ka sign in between, so powers get added up. So it will be 3.691 into 10 to the power 7.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji beta.
If you don't mind, ma'am, can you please explain what you just explained? Because, ma'am, our net was very slow. We couldn't see anything on the screen.
You want me to explain this topic once again, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, कोई बात देखो फिर से समझो. If this is this example, 429.281 into 10 to the power 3, and they want us to change it into standard form. What do I do here? I know that these points, they are moving 2 steps back to come in the standard form, right? And what did I tell you? In the trick, I have told you that whenever you are moving the point to the left 2 steps, power will increase by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 4.29281 times 10 to the power 3 plus 2, 5. Got it or not now, Shrikant?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take one more example of a different type, but like this only. If I give you the question 395.82 into 10 to the power minus 6 is the question. Now what will happen?
Ma'am, then it will be 2 steps towards the left. Then it will be 3.9582 times 10 to the power minus 6 plus 2.
Very good. Lovely. So you're increasing the power, increasing the power by 2 because you're moving to the left, right?
Ma'am equals minus 4.
Yes. So it will be 3.9582 into 10 to the power minus 4. But because your voice was glitchy, I couldn't make out if this is Shrikant or Sridhar telling the answer.
Ma'am, Sridhar.
Okay. Very good, Sridhar beta. Shrikant, you got the concept or not, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, next one you are answering me.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is 3999.99 into 10 to the power minus 4. Tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am, ma'am, 3.49, ma'am, as in 4 nines into 10 power minus 4 plus 2.
Shabash. Wow, mere sher. Good. So that's 3.9999 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 2 is?
Ma'am, 10 to the power minus 2.
Lovely. Very good. You got the concept. Very nice. Acha, Prisha ka homework is Prisha is sharing all these screenshots in the group. Chalo, let's discuss some more. Now this is 389.52 into 10 to the power let this be 0.38965 into 10 to the power minus 3. अभी क्या करेंगे? Any idea or you want me to explain? Okay, go ahead, try. Let me see if you have got that.
Ma'am, so first, ma'am, but I think it will remain the same. Ma'am, ma'am, I think it will remain the same. Ma'am, I have an idea.
Sridhar, no, beta, this won't remain the same.
Ma'am, maybe 3.8965 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 1.
You missed it.
Ma'am,
Itna sa you missed it. Abhi, listen. You have moved the point to the right, no? So what did I tell you? When you're moving to the right, I told you negative power will increase.
-1.
Yes. So it will be 3.8965, 89 I missed, 8965 into 10 to the power -3 and -1 is -4. That's the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it or not now, Sridhar?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now? Chalo, next one you are answering now.
Okay, ma'am.
0.00000. So there are 5 zeros. 892 into 10 to the power -12. Tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am, it would be 8.92 into 10 to the power -12 -5.
How many steps? 6 in all.
Ma'am,
5 are the zeros, beta.
6. Ma'am, I forgot the 8.
So what is the answer? 8.92 into 10 to the power?
6 -6.
What is the final answer to this, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be 10 to the power. Ma'am, -18.
Very good. -18. Lovely. Good one. You have got this one also. Very nice. Trisha, screenshots, please. Okay. Chalo, now this is. हाँ जी बेटा बोलो बच्चे.
Ma'am, what is usual form?
Usual form is the number in these forms, beta ji.
Okay.
Reverse of standard form, no? Okay. So now you are doing question number 3, beta. These are the same thing now. Nothing has changed. Only question number 4 we need to discuss. That is also very simple although. But question number 3 we have already discussed all the numbers. Now you know how to change them in standard form.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, bache? So you people try on question number 3 by yourself. This question number 4 we are discussing about. Okay. Question number 3 stands your homework. Chalo. Now
Okay,
question number 4 ke andar, in a stack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheets of the thickness this much. So that means there are different. The books ka thickness is different and the paper sheets ka thickness is different. What is the total thickness of the stack they are asking? Dekho, one book ka thickness is 20 millimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 books ka thickness would be?
Ma'am, 100.
Right. That will be 100 millimeter. Now the same way 5 paper sheet each of thickness this. So I'll write one sheet ka thickness is 0.016 millimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 sheets ka thickness would be into 5. 5 into 0.016. So how I'll do the answer? 16 times 5 is 80. Now how many digits are there after the decimal point? There are 3.
3.
So I need to leave 5 numbers and put a decimal point. So I'll put a 0 also here. So this many millimeters, right? For 5
Yes,
sheets.
ma'am.
Got it, no, beta? How to multiply, Shrikant?
Got it, ma'am.
Now they have asked you what is the total thickness of the stack. So what is the total thickness? That is 100 plus point ke niche point aata hai na, 100 means 100.0. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is 0.080. Now how to add? This is 080 only and this is
100.
100.
Ma'am,
So
100.0.
100 and 080 millimeter. But because this question is from the exercise where you are changing every number to the standard form, you have to give this in the standard form only. And how will you change this? Tell me the answer. Who will tell me? Shrikant will tell me. Shrikant, you tell me how to change this into standard form. Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 5 power. Ma'am, 10 power 1.
Beta, you're changing this into standard form.
Ma'am, 100.08.
So this is the number only, no beta, you need to change it into standard form.
Ma'am, can I try?
Okay.
Ma'am, it will be, ma'am, 10008.
You're writing it that in usual form, beta. What is standard form? Standard form is bringing the decimal.
Yes, ma'am,
देखो,
yes,
अगर
ma'am.
यहाँ लेकर आते हो,
Left.
the number will become 10.0080, which is a little greater than 10, right?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
number is a little more
Then
than
it
10,
should
so you
be
cannot take this.
1.00080.
1.0008.
0008.
Zero if
Times?
you even.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Into 10 to the power.
Ma'am, ma'am,
When you go to the left, when you go to the left, which power is increased?
ma'am, it will be, ma'am, 10 to the power 5. Ma'am, minus. Ma'am, it will be 10 to the power plus 3 plus 2.
Plus 2. Positive power
Ma'am.
increases, beta.
Right,
Because
ma'am.
you have moved the point 2 steps to the left, positive power will be increased. Got it,
Yes,
bache?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shrikant, clear or not?
Clear, ma'am.
Because you are moving point 2 steps to the left, positive power has increased. Okay. चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
इसका भी स्क्रीनशॉट प्रिशा शेयर करेगी ग्रुप में. We are done with the day. अभी
Ma'am.
बोलो किसको क्या डाउट है. बोलो समियन बच्चा. समियन
Ma'am,
बोलो
what
बेटा.
is the cube of ma'am -1/2?
Come again बच्चा.
Ma'am, what is the cube of -1/2?
अच्छा अभी सॉल्व करा दो. देखो, what is the cube of
Ma'am, I have
minus
done
minus 1 by
ma'am
2
-1/2.
का cube you are asking me to solve. So that's minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 by 2 times 2 times 2, right? So
Yes.
pair even number of minus they get cut, so minus will be reflected. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. By 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So minus 1 by 8 is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
एक
Ma'am,
इसको
I have
करने का
done
जल्दी से
33
तरीका ये है बेटा.
questions.
Always remember negative to the power this odd number. Negative to the power odd number means minus will be there in the answer. 1 to the power 3
Okay,
is
ma'am.
1. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Minus 1 by 8.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Okay.
have completed 33 questions of exam.
Arey wah, very good. Good boy. Tejas, any
Ma'am,
doubt
thank
for
you.
today, bacha? हाँ जी बेटू, हाँ जी.
No, ma'am.
चलो, फिर we are winding up for today.